Hey guys, what's going on? B Craig here with BCraigTrades. In today's video, I just wanted to show you guys how I use Tradytics and BlackBox side by side. They both are flow platforms. BlackBox is a little bit more expensive than Tradytics. Tradytics is a little more AI based in it, but I use them simultaneously together to make good plays and to make money in the stock market. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So the first thing I like about Tradytics is you can really get a lot of good ideas from it. They have so many different AI-based platforms and different tools to use. The main tool that I do use a lot during the day is a live options flow. So this is kind of just like the BlackBox flow. As you can see right here, this is what BlackBox flow looks like, and this is what Tradytics flow looks like. Tradytics flow is a little bit more detail oriented. You can see, entries and exit when people are buying or selling, and it's pretty lit up when it says sweeps or just regular block trades. And the main feature I really like about Tradytics is it will actually speak to you during the day. As you can see right here, this is the button right here that you would click to enable or disable the voice feature. And if you ever are on voice chat with me in the Discord, you will hear the little robot voice, saying spy calls, whatever strike, whatever expiration. So I don't necessarily have to sit here all day long and just watch flow. I can just look at my charts, be looking at the charts, talking to the Discord group, and I can just hear flow coming in. So that helps me out a lot. A feature I really just started using alongside with it is the Tradyflow. The Tradyflow is good because I feel like it's a step up from the regular options flow because you're able to see all the bigger amounts of orders that come in. Sometimes you might get some flow that comes in, maybe it's only 3 different orders, 5 different orders. But something like this, for example, you can see this Facebook flow. Again, these Facebook calls, 7/16, so this Friday's expiration, 355 strike. And let's see, they bought 1.29 million in premiums and 30 orders came in today. So this is something I would definitely be looking at. So for this week already, Facebook's going to be on watch for me. So, I'll either play this, play to get this exact strike, or maybe, go up a little bit more or go a little bit out the money, depending on how expensive these contracts are. I'm not too sure what they're priced at now. But this is something, that is really cool to use. This is how it looks on the platform. Here, it looks a little bit different on the actual Discord channel. Looks a little bit different, but this is where I kind of look at it. I believe the Tradytics Twitter account also will post it too. But if you're ever on the dashboard in Discord, this is what it looks like. You go right here to Flow, click on Tradyflow. This is what it looks like. So I actually started using this feature a little bit more. I like it. So I will actually start off with the live options flow. And once, it's about 30, 45 minutes into the bell, probably not even 30 minutes, but like 20 minutes into the bell, I'll go ahead and go to Tradyflow and see what's going on. And I did take a couple of Tradyflow plays today. It was actually, I took CCIV today. Let's see. And you can see, where is it at? Here's the CCIV. So only 5 orders that came in, but it was for 200,000. I'm still kind of testing to see how it is, and it was pretty cheap. I actually didn't get these calls. I got the actually 28 calls, I believe. Let's see. No, I got the 27 calls. So they were a little bit more expensive. I just want to be in the money. I hate getting sometimes contracts that are out the money. So it worked out. It was actually a green trade. So that's one trade I played. And also I played in NVIDIA. Let's see, where was the NVIDIA? Here it is. NVIDIA wasn't too much in, but it was pretty big, in premium size, a lot, almost 500,000 right there. And it was actually a lot of flow that did come into NVIDIA also. So once I did jump into NVIDIA play, I switched back to the live options flow, and I was just listening to the flow come in. And towards the end of the day, NVIDIA really picked up actually. You can see right here, and this is a 15-minute chart, and you can see the last 15 minutes, the video kind of, broke out. And I am swinging a couple more of those contracts. Hopefully I don't get burnt on those tomorrow. But I'm swinging those, and the thing is too, so when I am looking at Tradyflow, sorry to get sidetracked, this is kind of like a really important point. I like to look for the expiration to be kind of close. So these are this Friday's expiration. So they're looking for a move by this Friday. So, they're really, expecting a move pretty soon. So that's kind of the flow that I will follow. Even with the flow, I will always look for a flow that's either a week out or 2 weeks out. Anything more than that, if it's a lot of it, sure, I'll jump into it. But most times those guys are, they're expecting it within 20 days or maybe just swinging their position. But I like to see urgency and when the expiration is pretty soon. So that's why I took the video. Actually, this Amazon account looks good too. 1.2 million premiums came in for this Friday, 3,800 strike. They pay about $3,200 for those calls. So that's another I really can look at. But yes, I played the video today. I played the CCIV off of it. I did play a little bit of Facebook on the pop today, but it really didn't work out for me, actually. Took that for an L today, actually. I think I played right off this pop right here, and it came back down and actually did go higher, but I'm trying to be really tight with my stops recently. So I did kind of get, I got shaken out of that trade. So now we can go look at BlackBox. The thing I like about BlackBox is super simple to use. So if you want to find flow, hit the flow tab. Here's the flow. You want to see the alerts that they have alert. Here's alerts up. Today was a Monday, so it wasn't too big of anything going on. I missed this play towards the end of the day at 3:30. This flow cat came in. I missed that actually, but this space puts were actually a really good play. I feel like a lot of people actually play that, even though FinSwit played the space puts. But when I just want to see the simple flow, I would go to BlackBox and just type in the name and just find it. It's pretty simple to use, and this is easy. This chart pops up, boom. Here's all the flow. This is boom right there in my face. And I've been using BlackBox for about a year now, and I really like it. I've been using it constantly for a year also. So now in Tradytics it's only $50, so I'm paying $150 for a pretty good flow service that helps me out. I really like. I really wouldn't want. I can use BlackBox without Tradytics, but I wouldn't want to use Tradytics without BlackBox. Probably because I'm so used to BlackBox, so used to the platform, how to use it. And the features, like I said, it's really user friendly. It's pretty simple just to look at. Tradytics can be a little bit, it's a lot sometimes. But if you know how to use it and you really play around with it, you can really get in there. I'm not going to get too deep into actually all these different tabs right here. I am going to come out with a video just going over a Tradytics platform, just a review video, honestly, of the whole platform, which I really love. I feel like they gained a pretty big following recently on FinSwit and in the financial markets. People actually using the platform. That's like I said, the AI in this platform is pretty crazy, and it's really on point. So that's how I use them together, guys. I watch the Tradyflow, so I'm looking at flow that's coming in. Multiple orders and big premiums, 800,000, 1.7 million, 1.2 million on Facebook, and what was that? Gold puts. Somebody bought some gold puts. So that's how I'm looking for. Big premiums and a lot of orders that come in, and it seems like the Tradyflow is pretty on point. You have to do your own due diligence, of course. Look at the chart, see what's going on, but it looks like it's pretty on point for the most part. So I'm watching that. The Tradyflow. The live options flow. BlackBox had the voice feature. Would be amazing, but just to be able to to pull this tab up and then go to my charts and just watch the charts and just hear the big order flow come in through the robot voice, it's really super helpful. So once I do get in my positions, I'll go back to the live option flow and just kind of listen. It's really cool to see when I jump into a play based on the Tradyflow, and then the live options flow will actually start saying the orders that it will start saying orders of positions that I'm in, or names I'm in, and it really, solidifies me. Okay, I'm actually in a good name. Towards the end of the day, I was actually hearing a lot of the video come in. But yeah, so you guys know about BlackBox already. I have a review video on it already. I am going to come out with like a year, review on it, because it has been a year. They have added some different features to it. So there's a couple new things I do want to go over, but I love BlackBox still my number one flow service, all around package, Discord group, and just the overall user friendly of the platform. But yeah, guys, that's how I use both of these simultaneously together. If you guys have any questions about Tradytics, I am going to do a review video on that again. But go ahead, ask me any questions in the comments. If you do want to trade with us, you can. The link for our Discord is going to be the first pinned comment underneath the video, and I'll leave a link in the description also. Yeah, guys, make sure you subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching.